Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text messages on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now click on this icon at the bottom left corner with a photo and a camera. Then you can click on your photos right away or select Gallery section and select them from here. When you finished, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!